Ako si John Marigos, ang detail operator ng Bongbong Branch 30cm. Nagamit po ito ng 6 na araw na may 90 meters. Ito po yung printer head. Nilipalit po ito ng April 2024. Ito po yung cupping na may 60% good condition. Dead clean. Punasan ng cupping. Hot wiper. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama daw. Waste tank glass disposal ng Sabado. Ground coil. ABR. Ito naman nakalagay yung consumables na film. Ink, white ink, powder. Ito naman nakalagay yung CMYK at use ink. Wala pa rin po ako na-consume last week na CMYK at white. Daily output at daily checklist. Yun lang, salamat.